Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and this video is a Christmas video, and I wanted to share with you the crib that was prepared by my dad. And this is something like a crib idea that I wanted to share with you for the ones who want to create a crib for yourself. So this is something that I wanted to share with you and share some ideas with you so you can pick it up and you can do it. It's kind of really easy also, and I'll tell you what all we've used over here. So if you see, the entire structure of this crib is made with pure thermocol. So I can zoom in a bit, take it near, and you can see the base over there which has thermocol. To give the brick effect for the walls, we have used thermocol again, cut it up into cubes and pasted it so you get that old rugged brick effect. And also we have used the barks of trees over here to give that wooden effect. So if you see, we have used it everywhere as possible for the roof and in other places. Also, to create different racks and different slots, we have created with sticks to give that wooden effect over there. So if you can see there, that's what we have put in there. Okay. And also we have created different spaces for the cattle. So here you have the space for the donkey, and then you have this space over the right for the sheep and the cows, and that's how it looks. So also there's a small window that we have at each section just to give it a natural effect. Also we have very crudely cut up the thermocol to give it like a broken step effect, and that's how the overall crib looks. So we have kind of anchored these the bark of the trees to this thermocol using bell pins so it stands more firm. And then you can just add in your other ideas. So to add more light effect to this, you can use serial sets of focus lights, but here I wanted to add these candles which were really beautiful and gave it a very blissful effect. So that's the overall look of the crib, and I hope you liked it. So with the lights on, this is how it looks, and I'm going to show you a view of the crib just with these lights and all the other lights put off, and it's totally beautiful. So give me a second while I just put off the lights and show you how it looks. And there you go. So this is the effect of the crib, and this is how it looks with just the lights. So it's really beautiful if you just want to sit down and you want to see it and you want to do a crib. Really blissful to do it. So I hope you liked this video, and if you want more further ideas, you can take it from this crib, and please do subscribe to my channel.